How to invite your friends on Helldivers 2. Let's get started. While there is always an option to play the game solo, playing Helldivers 2 with friends can just add to the experience. The game also supports crossplay, so it doesn't matter if your friends play on a PC or PS5, you can still invite them. To make things better for the process in itself is fairly easy. So here is a quick guide on how can you set up and play multiplayer. Go ahead and launch your game, open the games menu. Next, go to the social tab. Now there are two important things to note: search tab and your friend code. Search tab, this is where you can enter your friend's code that the game generates for them. Your friend code, this is what you need to use to generate your own code and give it to them for searching you. It is the tab key on PC and the triangle button for PS5. Here, one friend has to generate the code and the other has to look them up. You can find the request in the friend request tab, accept the invite and you will add them as your friend. Likewise, to invite friends to squad and play multiplayer, you can apply these steps. Go to the social tab in the menu and look for the friends section. Here you will see the names of all the players added as friends. Select the one you want to queue up with and choose either one of the two options, invite to squad or join squad. Once everyone is in the lobby, you will then be able to start a game in Helldivers 2. However, do keep in mind that there is currently a bug in Helldivers 2 that sometimes disallows players to add a new friend or join a lobby together. Hence, if it occurs for you, restart the game once and try repeating the above process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can invite your friends on Helldivers 2. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.